Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add camera recording effect to your video on Inshot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Inshot application on my phone, and first of all I'm going to open my project. So this is the project I have created on my Inshot application, and if you want to add the camera recording effect, we need to go to the builder option right here, and you need to select the effect and go to the retro category, this one. Click on this retro category, and here you can add the camera recording effect, this one. Okay, you can choose this one or this one, and I'm gonna go with this recording effect. And then after that, we just need to click on the check mark and make the effect align with the video by dragging it like this. And now it's done. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add camera recording effect to our video in Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.